The ergonomic shape of the blade combined with the index points are perfect for locking in the grip so that it will not slide in your hand. It's not slippery when wet. And you use the holes to index between grips. So when you're in the foil position, it cannot slip through the palm of the hand, and the blade is 2 inches longer. In the spine pick position, it cannot slip through the thumb, and the blade is 2 inches longer. So really nice features of a really simple knife that says, don't prosecute me. We don't want all the things that an attorney will use against you. You want a very simple, well-designed, well-engineered knife that'll save your life.